Bifold doors are becoming an increasingly popular choice for homeowners in Mesa, Arizona, who want to enhance their living spaces with a modern and functional design. These doors offer a sleek, versatile solution that allows you to open up your home, creating a seamless indoor-outdoor connection that's perfect for Mesa's warm, sunny climate. Whether you're looking to improve the aesthetics of your home or enhance functionality, bifold doors can be an excellent choice. Here's everything you need to know about bifold door installation in Mesa homes. What are bifold doors? Bifold doors consist of multiple panels that fold and stack neatly to one side, offering a wide opening that maximizes space and creates a beautiful flow between the interior and exterior of your home. Unlike sliding doors, which only open partially, bifold doors can open fully, making them ideal for large openings that lead to patios, gardens, or pool areas. This design feature is especially beneficial in Mesa, where outdoor living is an essential part of the lifestyle. Bifold doors are often made from materials like aluminum, wood, or UPVC, and they come with large glass panes that allow plenty of natural light to flood into your home. With various customization options, they can be tailored to match both modern and traditional home designs. Benefits of bifold door installation in Mesa homes: maximized space and indoor-outdoor living. One of the biggest advantages of bifold doors is their ability to create a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. In Mesa's warm climate, where outdoor living is a way of life, this is especially appealing. Bifold doors allow you to fully open up your home to the patio or backyard, making it perfect for entertaining guests, hosting summer barbecues, or simply enjoying the scenic views. The ability to fully retract the doors helps create an expansive feel, making your home seem larger and more spacious. This is particularly useful for smaller homes, as bifold doors eliminate barriers between the interior and exterior, creating a sense of openness. Natural light and energy efficiency: bifold doors are designed with large glass panels, allowing natural light to pour into your home. In a place like Mesa, where there are more than 300 days of sunshine each year, maximizing natural light is a huge benefit. By installing bifold doors, you can reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day, potentially lowering your energy consumption. Modern bifold doors also come equipped with energy-efficient glass, which helps regulate indoor temperatures. The glass used in these doors is often double or triple pane, offering superior insulation that helps keep your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter. This can lead to noticeable savings on your energy bills, especially during Mesa's hot summer months. Enhanced aesthetics: bifold doors bring a modern and stylish look to your home. Their sleek design, with minimal framing and large glass panes, offers a clean, contemporary aesthetic that complements a wide range of architectural styles. Whether you want to modernize your home's appearance or enhance its traditional charm, bifold doors can be customized with various frame materials, colors, and finishes to suit your preferences. Ease of operation and durability: bifold doors are designed for ease of use. Thanks to their smooth sliding mechanisms, you can easily open and close them with minimal effort. High-quality bifold doors are engineered to last, with materials like aluminum providing durability against Mesa's harsh sun and heat. Unlike sliding doors or French doors that may warp or become difficult to operate over time, bifold doors are built to withstand extreme weather conditions while maintaining their functionality. Choosing the right bifold doors for your Mesa home: when selecting bifold doors for your Mesa home, there are a few key factors to consider. Material: aluminum is a popular choice for its durability and low maintenance. It can withstand Mesa's hot climate without warping or fading, making it a long-lasting option. If you prefer a more natural look, wood bifold doors are also available, but they require more upkeep to protect against sun damage and warping. Glass type: choosing energy-efficient glass is crucial in Mesa. Double or triple pane glass with low emissivity coatings can help reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Customization: bifold doors come in various configurations. You can choose from 2 to 8 panels, depending on the size of the opening. There are also various color and finish options to match your home's decor. Bifold door installation process: professional installation is crucial for ensuring that your bifold doors operate smoothly and efficiently. The installation process typically involves measuring the opening, Accurate measurements are taken to ensure a perfect fit. The frame and tracks need to be installed with precision to allow the doors to open and close seamlessly. Installing the frame. The frame is installed into the existing wall opening. Proper sealing and insulation are essential to prevent drafts and water leaks. Fitting the panels. The bifold panels are then fitted into the frame and attached to the track system. The installers will ensure that the doors slide smoothly and are aligned correctly. Bifold door installation is an excellent way to enhance your Mesa home's functionality, style, and energy efficiency. With their sleek design, easy operation, and ability to create a seamless indoor-outdoor living space, bifold doors are a perfect choice for homes in Mesa's warm climate. By selecting high-quality materials and having them professionally installed, you can enjoy the benefits of these versatile doors for many years to come. Whether you're looking to boost natural light, improve energy efficiency, or modernize your home's appearance, bifold doors offer the perfect solution for any Mesa home.